I I agree. I agree that there is some tension that is prevailing on account of certain authoritarian uh, exhibition of the governments. There is so much lawlessness. For example, Karnataka is facing a very serious allegation, Karnataka government, that it is a corrupt government. And we are a state where the then Chief Minister, Mr. Ramakrishna Hegde, ordered an inquiry against himself when there was an allegation. In fact, I played a key role in that commission, and where Ramakrishna Hegde, his son, and his family members were exposed to this inquiry. So that is the kind of model we have set. But contrary to this, the present government is least bothered. They have not instituted any inquiry. They should have constituted a commission of inquiry. The least is commission of inquiry to go into these allegations, which has not been done. So that way, I say at the state level that is happening. At the central level, we have seen best of our brains being put behind bars without any trial, without any charge sheet being filed, and this is the worst thing that can happen. Baba Sahib Ambedkar's granddaughter's husband was in jail without any charges being framed against him. And the kind of arrests that are made on, on, on spurious material. Now it is alleged that the computers were hacked and there was some implanting of incriminating material without the knowledge of these people. So such things have really damaged the constitutional image. More importantly, on issues like Kashmir, Supreme Court has not delivered. Nearly 4 years, it has not delivered. Internet is cut. Their freedom is taken away. Nothing is done by the judiciary. So such things are really bothering the nation, and the present controversy that is going on between the union government and the judiciary, it is a very unhappy development. Whether the collegium system should work or should be replaced. Now that's a matter where the judiciary should exhibit statesmanship by opening a dialogue, by coming out with a paper, white paper, disclosing what kind of appointments they have made, whom have they appointed, on what basis they have appointed, how many of them were relatives of the judges, how many of them belong to the judges' caste, how many of them came from the judges' chambers. So such material has to be produced before the nation, so that nation will know what is happening. What is important is even the judiciary should make itself accountable for the judicial appointments it is making. That is lacking. There should be transparency. That is lacking. And the nation should know why X, Y, or Z is not appointed. Nobody is there to answer these questions, and there is no forum where these questions can be asked. And therefore, judiciary should also reform itself, throw open the system for a more accountable and transparent appointment commission.